Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good. Temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night. Not good. So get home early today. Take some rest. And? Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Apo.
Sure.
Sofia! Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tabia, call my mom.
Yes.
Moshi.
Tabia. Talk robot companion.
Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Mom. How you doing?
Father just won the bridge tournament. I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Hey, kids. Say hi to Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
What did the 49ers do last night?
The 49ers beat the Raiders 23-11.
Yes! Order a cab.
A cab will be down in 5 minutes.
What's on my schedule? What's the weather today? Turn on the AC, turn up the volume.
Imagine how it would feel like to be the center of your technology. Now, stop imagining.
Hello, my name is Timmy.
Hey, Timmy.
Hello, John.
Hey, Timmy. Answer the call.
Hey, Timmy, play some music.
Hey, Timmy, make a video. Hey, Timmy, order pizza.
Hey, save some for me.
Teamy, the personal robot. You at the center.